G'day guys, Damo here. Welcome to another Around the Fire video. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, g'day. So, it's been a long time coming guys, and I just want to introduce to you our new range of supporter gear. So, you may have seen it in a few of the videos so far. I've been wearing Around the Fire shirts and hats, and if you're on the Instagram, you would have saw a couple of stubby coolers here and there. So, just to give you a look, we've got Around the Fire stubby coolers available, patches. These are oversized patches. You can see how big it is there versus the stubby cooler. We've got hats, same as what I'm wearing, snapback trucker style, pretty cool. And our shirts with the Round the Fire on the front, RTF, Australian flag on the sleeve, and a big Round the Fire on the back. So to give you some idea, this one's a medium that I'm wearing, so if you need to struggle with the sizes to order, then that's what they're going to be. So you guys can find these products. We're going to launch a brand new website. Jump across to our website. I'll put the link to the website in the description below, and I'll even put it up on the screen here somewhere. So jump across there guys if you want to support the channel. I know times are tough for everyone. Times are really tough right now for me. Just gone and got myself stuck in a riverbed. So guys, jump across there. It'll mean a lot to us if you can buy a bit of gear, buy a shirt, buy a stubby cooler, buy something, and support the channel so we can keep on doing this stuff. Alright guys, I better start digging, get the family home for dinner, hopefully before dark, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video. You. I think it's because our fuel tank's sitting on the ground. So, this is what Daddy's going to try first. I'm going to try the shovel. I'm going to dig out the wheels. I'm going to put the max back on.
How well, fast enough to get like the tires moving. Got to get some traction. So it's better if we just stand back and watch. We'll put this stuff in the car. How? Well, let's watch. Because the sand is too soft, so Daddy's slipping. But with the max track.
Alright, at least we got out.
Yeah.
We got to get through yet. Alright, what I'm going to do. Here's it. Put this here.
Hey. That's Daddy's shovel. I made it.
We're alive. We made it. That's as simple as how Max Trax can work when you get in a sticky situation.